Right, maybe I should do a DIY real quick since I just did this by myself. So I heard this big old sound coming from in here. I'm not sure what it was. We got the big glove box in the background. I'm not sure. But anyway, yeah, so we got to take out the glove box. To take out the glove box, you squeeze the sides and you pull it out. But in this situation, my glove box was attached by these bolts here. So I had to take those bolts off. That's the first thing, right? Then you went in here, you could hear that sound happening in there. We're wondering what's going on, right? When I opened this up and got the blower motor out, this thing was sitting right in here. No idea how it got in here. Anyway, I went on YouTube, saw a bunch of people had the same issue. These things don't really go bad, and they come set and they fit properly and they spin properly. So, and it's original. I got OEM, so I'm like, you know what I mean? So something had to fall in there, or it could have broke. You never know what was going on. But either way, now that we see what's going on, we can just fix it. All right, we take this out, put it in, and it's time to put it back in. I had to take out 3 screws. 3 screws from here, real easy. 3 screws from this. Disconnect a sensor. I plugged into right here, and now we're gonna see if it's okay, and we can put it back, and it no longer makes any sound, big rumbling sounds. So, all right, thanks. Stay tuned.